Hi friends, this is Girish Sridhar from CAI. Today my topic is history of Python. Python was invented by Buda Pascal in late 1980s in Netherlands. It was implementation in 1989. Buda Pascal was a huge fan of Monty Flying Circus. It is named as Monty Python. It is a open source programming language from the beginning. And features of Python. It is easy to learn and it is easy to read. It is a high-level programming language and it is available in Kali Linux, Windows and Mac. It is free of cost and it can available in Windows and